everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your software trainer business. So I'm an owner of a software trainer business and I receive a lot of inquiries by my customers on WhatsApp. And replying to each one of them individually and manually is a very time consuming and hectic task. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now as I've created this bot, whenever I'm going to receive any of the messages by the customers on WhatsApp as a query, automatically this bot is going to reply to them. So now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create an interactive WhatsApp chatbot for your software training business using Pabbly Chatflow. So first of all, I'm going to show you how this bot that I've created is going to work in real time according to customer's point of view. So this is the bot that I've created, and towards this bot, let's suppose I'm going to send a message. So this is the question that I have. I want to know about the courses that you provide. So I'm going to send this message to this bot. And as soon as I'm going to do that, you can see this bot has auto replied to me with a message, a welcome message with that number of options. I want to view courses. So I'm going to select this button from here. And automatically you can see this bot has forwarded me all the courses it provides. And if I'm going to select any of the options, you can see I'm going to receive the detail of the course. Okay. So you can see in this manner, this bot is going to work that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow. You can see this bot is auto replying to all my messages. So over here, I'm going to tell you in this video how you can create this amazing chatbot step by step without knowing any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. I'm going to browse the website. Then Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. But if you're an existing user, directly sign in to your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can see the All Pabbly Apps window is going to appear in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. What is Pabbly Chatflow? It is an amazing tool that is going to manage the WhatsApp conversation and send WhatsApp messages for businesses efficiently. Over here, to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, click on this Add WhatsApp button and you have two methods: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn both of these methods with the help of which you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, you can check out our description box below, in which I've added the links of the videos. Pabbly Chatflow provides multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, settings, under which we have multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in depth and in brief, you can check out all the videos that we have already added in our description box. In order to create a new bot, from the left side, go to Flow and Flows section right over here of your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then the Flow Builder page of Pabbly Chatflow account is going to appear in front of you. And to create a new bot, click on this Add Flow button on the top right corner right here. As soon as I'm going to do that, you can see a flow has been created, and firstly I'm going to rename the flow, which is going to be WhatsApp chatbot for your software trainer business. After naming the flow, over here it says flow start. How this bot that we are creating is going to be triggered? There are three ways: keywords, regex, and choose template. So let's suppose you have entered keywords in this field and any of the customers sends those keywords as a message. This bot is then going to be triggered from here. Next I'm going to talk about is choose template. So let's suppose you have selected a template over here in this choose template field right here, and you have forwarded that template as a broadcast message to your customers, and then your customer replies to that template that you have selected right here. This bot is going to be triggered. Next we are going to talk about regex. Regex is a short of regular impressions. It is a special character or sequence of characters used to find, match, or filter specific text. For regex, I have a special character that is going to make this flow triggered if I receive any of the messages by the customers on WhatsApp. Okay, any message is going to trigger this flow right here. So I'm going to enter that special character over here. So this is the special character. Okay, with the help of this character, this flow is going to be triggered by any of the messages that we receive from our customers on WhatsApp. Okay, if you want to use this character for your own flow, you can check out the description box below. I've added this character right there. Okay, so I have set up my flow start from here. Now, what message should this bot send to the customer? I want this bot should first read the customer. For that, from this point of flow start, drag it and drop it in this field. I'm going to select my content type as text plus button, and for the message over here, I'm going to write it as. So this is my message right here. Hello, welcome to Tech Tutor Hub, your expert software training partner. So this is my welcome message, and for adding the options over here in this message, I'm going to add buttons in this message. I want to add 3 buttons right over here. We need to name all the buttons right here. So the name of the buttons are going to be, so these are the name of the buttons: view courses, schedule a free demo, and the pricing and packages. Okay, so these are the 3 buttons that I've added in this message right over here. What message should be forwarded with this button, view courses, if the customer selects this button? Okay, for that I'm going to drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type, I'm going to select it as text plus button, and for the message over here, I'm going to write it as. So this is the message that I have. Here are some of our top software training courses at Tutor Hub, Tech Tutor Hub. So for adding the courses, I'm going to add buttons right over here. I have 3 courses that I provide. I'm going to name all. So these are the buttons: Python for beginners, Excel techniques, and web development. Okay, after adding all these buttons over here, now if the customer selects this first course, I want to give a small description of the course right here. For that, from this point, drag it and drop it. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message over here, I'm going to write it as. So this is the message that I've written right here, that is for Python for beginners is a perfect for you to learn programming from scratch. I have described all the things that I provide in the course. It says, would you like to schedule a demo? For adding the schedule a demo, you can see over here in the main menu, I've also added this button, schedule a free demo. So what I'm going to do is over here, I'm going to add this same button in this message. So I'm going to copy this name from here and add it in this button right over here. And the message that I'm going to send for this button is going to be the same message that I'm going to send for this button right here. So I'm going to leave this button message for a second right now. Okay. So now we have my next button is Excel techniques and web development. For both of these courses, I am going to add a message right here. You can see I've added the messages for both of these buttons right here. For the Excel techniques, I've added this button. You can see right over here, advanced Excel techniques. And over here, you can see this is for the web development. This is the button for the web development, that is full stack web development course. Okay. So you can see with these 2 messages, I've also added this button of schedule a free demo. So now let us set up the schedule a free demo message right here. For that, simply from this point, drag it and drop it in this field. Content type over here is going to be text plus button, and for the message over here, I'm going to write it as. So this is the message that I have for the schedule a free demo. Awesome. To book your free demo with Tech Tutor Hub, click the link below. Over here, you can attach, I have written an example link. You can attach the form link or the website link, with the help of which your customers can book a free demo in your software trainer business, with the help of which they can book a free demo for their course that they have. Okay. So attach the link right over here in place of this example link that I've added. Okay. So this is the message that is going to be forwarded with this button, that is schedule a free demo. In the last, I've added, if you have any questions, just contact us. For adding the contact us, I'm going to add a button of contact us right over here. So I've added this button of contact us right here. Okay. For the message of contact us, I'm going to drag this point and drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message of the contact us, I'm going to write it as. You can see right over here, this is the message, need assistance. Over here, I have provided the email address and the phone number of my business. You can see right here. Okay. So this is the contact us message for this button. Now after that, over here, last button is pricing and packages. For that, from this point, I'm going to drag it and drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message for the pricing and packages, I'm going to write over here. So this is the message that I have for the pricing and packages here at our Tech Tutor Hub training packages designed just for you. The basic packages right here, this is the pro package and the premium package. You can see I've added all the details of all the 3 packages that I provide in my business. Click here to schedule a free demo and discuss your goals. You can see for the schedule a free demo, yes, I'm going to again copy the same button name from here and paste it over here, add a button and paste it right here. Okay. Now for this schedule a free demo, I'm going to connect this dot to this message of the schedule a free demo. Similarly, for all the 3 dots, you can see right here, this is my first dot. Over here, this is my next schedule a free demo dot. And lastly, this is the other dot that I have right over here. I'm going to connect all of them. Okay. So this is the schedule a free demo that is going to be forwarded with all these messages. So I'm going to first rearrange this entire flow from here. You can see this is the entire flow right over here that I've created. To save this flow, click on the save button on the top right corner. It says flow updated successfully. Now as I've saved this flow successfully in my Chatflow account, to test this flow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a WhatsApp message towards this bot using my number. And after that, I'm going to check whether this bot replies to all my messages automatically or not. So this is my WhatsApp, and towards this bot, I'm going to send a message. So let's suppose for the query over here, I'm going to write it as, hey, I want to book a free session. Okay, so I'm going to send this message to this bot. Automatically, this bot has replied to me. Over here, I want to schedule a free demo. So I'm going to select this button, and you can see that I have received the automatic reply by this bot directly right here. And this bot is automatically going to reply to all the messages that I'm going to send towards this bot. Okay, so as this bot is auto replying, this means this bot that we have created is successfully working and is saved in our Pabbly Chatflow account. So there you go, your very own WhatsApp chatbot ready to engage, guide and convert your leads into students. Now there's your turn to try it out. Pabbly Chatflow gives you 100 free credits every month so that you can start building and testing your own chatbot today. So go ahead and create your own bots using Pabbly Chatflow and customize it according to your needs. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.